Kanti ezingenayo zethu seboshiwe loyo ongudokotela womkokotelo uDr. Matthew Lani. Sizokhumbula ukuthi lo dokotela kwabonakala ekhulu esikhuleni zokuxhumana ku-TikTok enikeza abantu amaphilisi kanye nama-instructions ukuthi basebenzise inani uma ngabe bekunenkinga noma bezizwa bengaphilile. Kanti lokhu kuye kwamfaka enkingeni ngenxa yokutholakala ukuthi akanazo izicucu zamaphepha emfundo amgunyazayo ukuthi kube khona into angayibhekisa ebantwini ewulwazi malana nezimpilo zabo. Kanti lo dokotela mbumbulu ube sexhakathiswa ama-bodyguard egasela esibhedlela iHelen Joseph ethi uyozama ukwenza umachansana aqhube izitayela zakhe khona naso ivideo yakhe bempheka ngembuzo.
Okay, leave me alone. Can everybody please get out? No, everybody must go out.
No. Why jump to the
I didn't. I didn't.
I told you the red.
I did not.
Who is this? Who is this?
The last one, we went into the theater locker room right after they put their safety pins there. That is not corridor.
Yes.
That
No,
is
I'm saying
theater.
about
That is the lockers where
Yes.
people keep their personal belongings that you went to.
Yeah. For that one, I'm like also very sorry for that one. Like, I honestly did not mean harm. I truly did not.
But you've been warned, and you still came.
Warned by who?
By the doctor that you were impersonating.
I was not impersonating any daughter.
Didn't you say when you were an intern in Helen Joseph?
No.
And you worked in Tembisa?
No.
Oh, okay. But
I
the
did
videos
not.
will identify all of that. That's okay.
The thing with that one, with the Zingela sender, that was my
Now, why are you saying you did not?
No, I never said that I am this person Zingela. No.
What were you saying?
I changed surnames. My old surname was Zingela. And that video was not from this year. This video was from 2 years ago.
So you posted it this year?
No, it has always been on my TikTok.
Fine. Right here, your statement stating, you see the things you're telling me? Just put it here in writing. That you came here, you are sorry, you were doing your video.
Like, you guys have already pressed charges and like,
Papa,
I'm really sorry.
You are causing deformation of our hospital status.
I know.
And